Welcome to the Charge Simulation. In this simulation, you will test various USB charging devices and compare their costs, functionality, and limitations. You will also construct an electrical circuit that uses a 9-volt battery to charge a USB device. To begin the simulation, click on one of the 10 chargers on the upper shelves to move the device down to the workbench. The charger will automatically be connected to the USB plug on the tablet. Certain chargers will immediately display detailed information on the screen, while other chargers, such as the shoe, require you to click and drag on the item to build up a charge before viewing the data. You can also view more information on the charger by clicking on the tablet screen and sweeping the screen to the side. Test each of the chargers on the shelves and determine how each device performs. Once you are done checking out the chargers, click the Build Charge button at the bottom of the screen. You will then move on to the circuit development part of the simulation. Here you will need to place the correct components in the right grid locations for the charger to function properly. Click and drag any component from the top of the screen and snap it to the grid. If necessary, rotate the component by clicking the R symbol on the item. If your circuit build is looking not so good and you like to start over, click the Reset Build button. When you believe your circuit has been correctly connected, click the Test Build button to find out if your custom charger works.